In the field of e-commerce courier packing link, a good packaging machine can save you not only labor costs. Today, to take you to recognize a truly intelligent packaging tool, bubble film packing machine. It is not only amazing efficiency, can easily adapt to a variety of shapes, a variety of categories of products to achieve a one top more than one. This machine adopts 4 sets of independent servo motor control system, which are used for feeding, film roll, knife seat, and center sealing mechanism, respectively, with precise control and no interference with each other. With the high response motion controller, every instruction is smooth, the product positioning is more accurate, and the packaging quality is more upgraded. Responding to e-commerce multi-SKU product packaging, it also has a super brain. Built-in 99 sets of packaging parameters, storage space, support for rapid switching, it can not only pack the uniform specifications of the product, for small objects, daily necessities, such as the volume of goods can also be packaged, all packaged once in place. Automatic identification of length, height adjustable, no matter short, long, square, round, all adaptable, a device to solve the needs of multiple categories. C. Rice and grains are packed quickly by bubble film packing machine, one bag after another, neat and tidy. Look, headphones and irregularly shaped small objects in cartons can still be packed quickly and efficiently. Each product is tightly encapsulated for a neat appearance, while ensuring that the packaging is stable and will not be broken due to vibration or transportation. Adopting boxed motion knife structure, it still maintains accurate sealing and cutting in high-frequency operation, making the package more compact and beautiful. Combined with intelligent temperature control system, every sealing is even and flat, avoiding wrinkles and air leakage, and guaranteeing safe transportation of products. This machine has the function of anti-bullet bag, which automatically stops the output of film roll when there is no material, effectively saving packaging film and avoiding material waste. And the anti-cutting function is even more thoughtful design. When the machine detects cutting abnormality, it will immediately reverse the knife seat and stop the machine automatically to protect the product and the equipment itself and reduce the maintenance cost. It can be seamlessly connected with the existing assembly line and supports customization of various specifications and sizes to flexibly match the layout of the workshop. Whether it is factory packaging, logistics packing, or brand e-commerce stock preparation, bubble film packing machine can be perfectly integrated into your indispensable intelligent partner. Choose it to make your packaging easier, smarter, and more professional. Contact us now to start a new era of efficient packaging.